games, y'all. All my bros pop out, rock out. And man, it's like, man, like I told you on the last channel, I ain't no one hit wonder. I'ma stay in your motherfucking face. So you can hate what the fuck you wanna hate. But bitch, I'm here. I'm back. That's why you gotta have a backup. So you can still shit on these motherfuckers like, bitch, you thought. Woo, 40-year-old. Let me make sure I say this right. 41-year-old, and I still would get on your ass. That's why I want motherfuckers to realize. I'm 41-year-old, I would get on your ass like a high school ass kid. So don't fuck with my channel. So if you pop your shit, be ready. Cause I'll be ready. Gang. I love this shit. What? Entertainment, I would love this shit. I'm trying to tell y'all that shit. You pop your shit. Pop it right. So I seen some people pop that shit, they look like a crash dummy. Bitches is live. Some shit you do, some shit you don't do. You did. Close mouth don't get fed, but some shit get you in the feds. Niggas say some shit will get you in the feds. Yeah, y'all gotta watch these crazy motherfuckers. They be on this bitch wilding like a motherfucker, boy. Young, dumb. What they say back in the day? Young, dumb, and full of cum. That's why you got. Let me hush. I ain't gonna say nothing about that one. You know what I'm saying? Young, dumb, and full of cum. That's why these motherfuckers act like that. Rah, 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 and shit. Calm your dumb ass down with that shit. You look stupid. Niggas don't understand that shit. Now they see the life. Nigga, look at your life. Nigga, boy, say that shit was funny, boy. I'm like, wow, they is roasting the fuck out this nigga. I already knew I wasn't gonna do it, but shit. I tell anybody, come to my line, we got a roasting game. Cause I know I got some shit. Oh, boy, y'all know I will roast this bitch ass, boy. Say, they don't wanna get on my shit. I'll play that shit with you. I will talk the shit with you. Don't get, whoa. Oh Lord, y'all thought this shit was up. Hell no, it's up, it's stuck, man. Say, goddamn, boy, man, say y'all, this shit is funny, y'all. This shit is funny, as a motherfucker. Man, motherfucker thought I'm burger, but they got the roasting on his head, boy. What's wrong with you? Man, say, I know you gonna delete that lie. You need to delete all his lies, cause shit, all they doing is exposing a pussy in you. Oh Lord, I don't delete none of my life. Y'all got me fucked up. When I say what the fuck I mean, I don't back down by shit. The proof is in my life. I don't give a fuck what you say. Oh no, I say that was so cool about my life. I don't need nobody on my shit to crank me up. I crank myself up because I'm me. I love this shit. So if anybody want to talk shit, pop the fuck out. I will pop on your shit. I love this shit. I love this shit. Oh Lord, I damn, oh Lord. I want to see the next live that motherfucker come back with. Stay in your guidelines. Don't know that rah rah shit. Nigga don't care about that shit. You just a crash dummy. I'm waiting to see this next live so I can laugh with it. You know, in boxing, you know, you could be a southpaw or you'll be a counter. I'm a counter. Cause I already know a dumbass, they gonna expose themselves. I'm just gonna laugh and watch these motherfuckers eat them up. And then they gonna eat them up. Ah, motherfucker think they can scold. Boy, that was a good one, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. All my bros say much love.